Hi everything, this is a recipe for sticky Coca-Cola chicken wings. Reminiscent of those buffalo style wings, except that the stickiness and flavor comes from the soy sauce and of course Coca-Cola. Let's first marinate our chicken wings with salt, MSG, and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Mix it well and let it marinate for 1 hour. After an hour, heat some oil over a medium heat and grill the chicken wings. You can also grill them in the oven, in a non-stick wok like this, or an actual griller if you have it handy. We want to have those charred bits on the chicken for flavor, so flip it often and make sure to use a medium heat to ensure the chicken is cooked through to the bone. After the chicken is suitably charred and cooked, scoop up and set aside. Reheat the oil in the wok and saute a few slices of ginger and chopped garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce and saute for a few seconds. Now it's time for the Coca-Cola to go in. Try to use the regular flavored one. Pour in half a cup. I'm so sorry about the video quality here. As usual, my mind wandered off to my real world problems and I forgot to constantly check my shots. #walaupun. Add a pinch of salt and chicken stock powder. Continue boiling the gravy down until slightly thickened and add the cooked chicken in. Stir around to make sure the chicken is warmed through. We will cook the chicken until the sauce caramelizes and the oil separates. Dish it up onto a plate. And garnish with white sesame seeds. And maybe a bit of spring onions. Thank you for watching. The ingredients list is in the description, and if you would so kindly like this video, it will help to put it out there for more people to enjoy. Thank you.